Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have some very bad news. I have been getting bullied and I've just everything on Animal Jam. So I am getting rid of my account. I'm gonna log into this really quick. I have not saved my password. But yeah, I'm gonna be telling you what my password is, and I'm showing you all of the rares that you can get. So you can just activate the member account. You have this many gems. You have a clarinet, all of these rares, all of these good items. I'm just tired of getting bullied on Animal Jam. So today, guys, I'm going to be telling you my password. And I just quit. So my password is... Wait, I forgot my password. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot my... How did I forget it? I just typed it in. Oh, yeah, my password is Roblox12345. And just... Please just don't get it suspended or just take all of the stuff and then leave it. I'm tired of getting bullied on Animal Jam. And I hope whoever takes it takes good care of my account and all of my stuff, and just, yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, did you actually believe that? That is not my password. I'm pretty good at fake crying, though. But yeah, that is not my password. I'm never getting rid of my account. Ever. And I'm not quitting. I haven't gotten bullied. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this very fake video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.